Okay, so I'm pretty lazy and I'm not really dressed that much. So I'm not gonna, you know, um, show myself in this video, and I apologize. I just do not feel like putting on makeup. Anyway, hold on, I should get some Kleenex. Hold on 2 seconds. Okay. The other thing is, so if you hear me scream ow, I apologize. I kind of hurt my arm, and that's unrelated. But the reason I'm recording this now is, first of all, my friend is not over, so I'm just gonna be the only one sneezing. Second of all, I've been slightly stuffy today. I don't think it's a cold or anything, but it's been kind of annoying. So I'm always, my nose is like completely tickly, and I'm gonna be inducing to get some of those tickles out. And I'm gonna be inducing with a chopstick, I guess. We'll see if it works. Alright, here we go. It may not work as well as the other things, so I may have to switch to another, but we'll see. It seems to be working. I'll try to get a lot out. Oh wow, those are strong sneezes. Wow. And I apologize, I cannot do a honking nose blow. It just doesn't work for me. Not usually. Ah, a hole in the Kleenex. Okay. Sorry about the nose blowing. If you don't like it, I apologize. Because I'm not a huge fan of nose blowing either. But I have to. And sorry about the coughing. I don't like that either. Alright. Maybe if I tried a pen of some sort. This works better. Nope. Damn. Oh, maybe this one. Yeah, this should work. This should work. Sorry it's taking so long. My nose has been sensitive. I don't know why it's suddenly not sensitive. I know. Better idea. Try to get some really good ones out before. There we go. Incense stick. Leftover of an incense stick. This should work. Okay, here we go. That hurt. Alright, hold on. Here we go. Let me try the other side. big ones today. Oh my god, I got dizzy from that one. 20 more minutes do I have? It is 6 minutes, okay. Still going. Ow, ow, that really hurt. It's sprayed everywhere. I have like a ton of spray. Everyone like knows this about me. Well, people like see my spray sometimes. You should do that. Maybe if I did this, maybe you'll still see the spray a little bit. We'll see. I'm doing it in front of a window. Without seeing me too much. I don't know if you saw that. I tried. Let me try to spray the computer a little bit. Ow, it's hurting. Oh my god, these are huge sneezes today. Oh, sorry, that was gross. Not mean that. Okay. A few more. Let's see. I'm gonna get like 3 more out here. My nose does not want to cooperate somewhere. Weird. Maybe my nose is camera. Oh, here we go. Maybe. I think that's about it. Take care.